Dr. Hubner here, Natural Transplants, and I'm here with Jay. And Jay is here 13 months after his transplant. And man, I'm going to put the befores and afters side by side, but holy smokes, what a change in his look. And I think he's all smiles, and it's really changed his life in a positive way. But Jay, what do you think about your transplant, and what about the people been saying about it?
I love it. Everybody else loves it. Everybody looks at it. It looks so natural.
Yep.
It's my hair.
It's your hair, and it's all natural.
I edge it up. I cut it. It's
cool.
Beautiful. Love it. I thank you for helping me out.
No problem. And it translates, I guess, into more confidence in every aspect of your life, right? So
definitely.
Yeah. Awesome,
I can see somebody's face, and then they can look at my hair and like, hey, he's got a nice hairline. It's still there. It's all there.
Awesome. And how about the scar? You like to wear your hair kind of on the shorter side. Tell me about that.
I wear it on the shorter side. It's all covered. You can't even notice it. Both sides.
Fantastic. So, no issues there. Awesome. I'm going to have you just so I can compare from front. Can you put your chin down to your chest and just hold it there for about 5 seconds?
Okay.
Yep. So the top looks awesome. And just in disclosure, no products. There's no hair fibers in there. You're not doing anything differently. You're not even taking finasteride. No medication. This is just the transplant and nothing else 13 months later, right? Okay.
Yes.
Let's do one from the left side. There we go. Yep. And let's do one from the right. Yep. Dude, that is unbelievable, man. I'm so happy for you, man. What would you tell guys that are on the fence about a transplant, man? They're not sure whether they should go for it. What do you think?
Definitely go out there and do it.
Yep.
Go to Man's. Matt Huber. We'll take care of you.
Awesome, man. I appreciate you, Jay, and we'll be following up, and let us know if there's anything else you need. We'll be here for you. All right? Thanks, Jay. Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.